Alright, long time no see. Got the new cylinder head on. She does run. Okay. And I had cut this exhaust pipe to get the exhaust off. And now I'm gonna weld that back. It's been a few months since I messed with it. Well, I've been messing with it here and there. Now it's time to just get it done. Got this Harbor Freight Vulcan, and it's 120 volt. It's about to fall off the table here. So let's get her done. As you see, this is a tight spot. I actually can't even see if I have all the hole, but I got it started to booger up. I want to take that clamp off, but I'm not 100% sure I should do that yet. I think I want to put some more on there. Let's see. See if I can give you a shot. Where'd that get us? Some more boogers. Alright, well, I'll be back.